In this video, I want to discuss saving your work. There are two different types of file that you need to save within Carveco Maker. You've got the Carveco Maker design file, so all of this artwork, let's say here, whatever's showing here, save that as a file. And this also includes your toolpaths. Okay, so to do that, go to File, Save As. Let's go to here and give this a name. And it will be called a Carveco model or a .art file. Now this is quite important because this contains all of your design and it contains your toolpaths that you've saved to this design. Okay, so save that and everything will be saved, and you can edit the toolpath, you can edit the design, and you can come back to it later. Now what a lot of people do is they save the toolpath out to send to the CNC and think that that is what has saved, so they can edit that. That's not the case. Once you take it out and you've converted it into a format for your CNC machine, all that it is G code, so it's G commands and also coordinates, basically telling the CNC machine what to do and where to go. Okay, so to do that, what you would do is go to toolpaths and then save toolpaths. So this is completely different to what I just done. So if I save that toolpath, now I'm not going to go into this, there's going to be a separate video for this. So let's just choose any CNC that I have. Let's say a generic one. So let's just use the G code arcs and let's browse to where I want this to go. Let's say there. And I'll just call this code to avoid any confusion. And I'll just move one of these toolpaths over and then just save this. So if I take a look in that folder now, you'll be able to see the two files. So you can see I've got that code and Sparrow. Now you'll notice that the size as well. So the code is a little bit smaller than the Sparrow. The Sparrow contains all of the file. So all of the artwork, the toolpath is saved to it so I can edit it. And the code is just literally code. So if I double click on that, now I've associated this with WordPad. If you just right click and select open with, and then just choose WordPad, and you'll be able to view it. And you can see that it's literally just commands and coordinates. So I can't take this back into Carveco Maker now. Okay, so if I were to try to grab that and drop that in there, it just won't import because it's already been converted into a format for my CNC machine. Now if I were to close this and then let's drop the Sparrow in there, you can see that this has saved all of my artwork and it's saved my toolpaths. So just make sure that when you save the toolpaths for your CNC machine, make sure that you understand that that is just for the CNC machine to send to there. You need to also save the Carveco Maker model if you want to ever change anything or you want to modify anything. So once again, go to File and then Save As, and it will be called a .art file. Okay, so that's the different types of saving within Carveco Maker.